Hey, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show y'all how I go from this to this. A few girls had requested that I show y'all how I do my brows. I get a spoolie and I brush my hair up just to make sure that I put the product in the correct spot. And I don't do anything to my brows. I don't get them waxed, I don't get them threaded. I just I've been letting them grow out for a little while now, so I just tweeze them and clean them up by myself. So I have a angled brush and it's really thin. It's not fluffy at all. It came with this Milani gel, but it didn't work for me. So, but I like this brush. This brush is perfect for this. So I just swipe my brush into the gel and then I clean off the edges like that, and I start making a line right about here is where my hair starts falling down instead of going straight up. So I just make a line like that, and whatever's left on the brush, I don't dip back in. I just start shading in my brow, and I start from the back and work my way forward just to make sure that it kind of fades out. So dipping back into the pomade, I start about right here and make another line on top. And I just connect it with the first line. And you kind of want to buff out the line as well so it's not so harsh. So dipping back in, I just start filling in this outer part of my brow. So right about here is where I start just pushing the product up, kind of like pushing it the way my hair is growing. So right here I just kind of do it at an angle, and then when I come closer I start pushing it up. And you don't want to do super dark lines. You want it to just look natural. And then lightly make a line right here. Very lightly. You don't want it very harsh. You want it to look a little bit natural. And then you brush up this area. If you make it super harsh right here, you can just brush it out with the spoolie. So this is a e.l.f. concealer brush, and I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape, and I just dab it on my hand like that. And I start concealing under and on top of my brow. Then I buff out the edges with my finger. I usually would bring my concealer all the way down, but I'm not doing eyeshadow today, so I'm not putting it all over my lid. So next, I am using this e.l.f. brow gel. Lizzie's the one that told me about this, and it works really good. It's one side is eyebrow gel and the other side is eyelash gel. So I just lightly brush up my hair with it, and it just keeps the hair in place, doesn't let them fall. So that was it for this video. Thank you ladies for requesting this video. If y'all have any more ideas, please let me know. Thank you for watching.